Hey there, in today's video guide, we're going to take a look at the best lightweight folding electric bikes available on the market today. So whether you're a commuter looking for a more convenient way to get to work or an outdoor enthusiast searching for a portable adventure companion, we've got you covered. And don't worry, we've put links to all the products we'll be discussing in the description box below for easy access. Stay tuned to find the light folding electric bike that's perfect for you. The fifth product on the list is the Swagtron Swagcycle folding electric bike. This bicycle stands out with its robust, commuter-friendly design, notably its removable battery feature. With a 7-speed gear system, riders are given the reliable precision and control desired for various terrains, ensuring smooth uphill climbs. Boasting an impressive throttle-only range of up to 18.6 miles on a single charge, and the capacity to cruise at speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour, this bike is designed for those longer urban commutes. The fourth product on the list is the LECTRIC XP Lite electric bike, a game-changer for electric bicycle enthusiasts. Weighing in at a mere 46 pounds, this folding bike boasts an impressive 40-plus mile range with 5 pedal assist levels. Its top speed? A breezy 20 miles per hour, categorizing it as both a Class 1 and 2 electric bike. Perfect for diverse terrains, riders can effortlessly transition from concrete to gravel or even grassy paths. Up next in third place is the SOHAMO A2 electric bike, a folding marvel ideal for city slickers and leisure riders alike. With a 48V12Ah lithium-ion battery, this e-bike promises an electric range of up to 30 miles. This makes spontaneous urban exploration or weekend picnics in the park all the more enticing. Its 350-watt brushless motor ensures a smooth and quiet ride, with speeds reaching up to 20 miles per hour. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it portable, and its easy-fold mechanism is perfect for tight spaces or car trunks. The second product on the list is the Jasion EB7 2.0 electric bike for adults. With a powerful 500-watt brushless motor, riders can easily reach a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and even conquer hilly terrains with a 15% incline. Its 48V10Ah lithium-ion battery boasts an impressive range of 20 to 40 miles per charge. Beyond performance, this folding bike prioritizes comfort with its dual suspensions and puncture-resistant 20-inch X3 fat tires that ensure a smooth ride on various terrains. Wrapping things up at number 1 on the list is the EBKAROCY electric bike for adults. This electric bicycle stands out with its powerful 400-watt motor, enabling speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, and a robust 48V15Ah removable battery, ensuring you can cover significant distances on a single charge. Its design prioritizes rider comfort with a multi-shock absorption system, effectively dampening bumpy roads and ensuring a smooth journey. Notably, it comes with an ergonomic foldable design, perfect for those with limited storage space or looking to transport it frequently. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best lightweight folding electric bike. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.